Hey everyone, let's dive into how AI is revolutionizing our world. One of the most compelling insights about AI is its ability to augment our capabilities. Rather than replacing us, AI can free us from mundane tasks, enabling us to focus on more creative and high-value activities. For instance, AI-driven tools can analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that human analysts might miss. This can lead to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, finance, and education. Imagine diagnosing diseases faster, making smarter investment decisions, or personalizing education like never before. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for AI to transform industries is vast. But as we stand at the threshold of this technological revolution, it's crucial to acknowledge the challenges that lie ahead. Will AI disrupt your industry in the next 5 years? The answer is still unclear, but one thing is certain: AI will change the game, and it's up to us to adapt to these changes. So what do you think? Will AI be a game changer in your field? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. In conclusion, the future of AI is complex and multifaceted. Its impact on various industries will be felt in the years to come. As we navigate this uncertain landscape, staying informed and adaptable is essential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other videos for more insights into the world of AI and its transformative power. Catch you in the next one.